Hi everyone, welcome back with us Libolon. As one of the leading textile manufacturer in Taiwan textile industry, today we are proudly share to you on how us Libolon managing our synthetic sustainable products and creating a sustainable circular economy concept. With our headquarter office and factories location in Taiwan, Libolon is one of the integrated manufacturer that capable to produce both woven and knitting fabric as well as the import production for sustainable recycled raw materials and facilities to create fabric outcome. Green energy sources are also being utilized in having green product, green environment, and our goal to reduce CO2 emissions. Moreover, in 2017, we expand our production business site in Indonesia as now we have also become one of the most textile major supplier in Indonesia. In having to create a sustainable circular economy, one have to understand the fundamental of sustainability. The fundamental of 3R, recycle, reduce, and reuse, those are going to bring the wastes, a new life cycle, and new opportunities ahead. First, when we look at all the products that we have, Libolon has invested and are experienced in managing recycled products for both polyester and nylon. Starting from our product repat generated by post-consumer PET bottles and polyplast nylon plus that are generated from industrial wastes of gray and yarn. But without realizing, the demand of quantity itself, especially post-consumer polyester, has unexpectedly rising even up to the year of 2030. The demand not only came from textile industry, but as well as other industry for our daily basis purpose. From here, the guidance and direction has shown us a clear vision. All of our textile designers and engineers will keep striving not only for better products, but to bring no negative impact to the environment with the concept of endless regeneration. The regeneration will bring back the product's new life cycle, such as clothing waste that is no longer valid and achieving sustainable circular economy. The circular loop concept would also help to reduce the global waste issue in terms of textile and clothing. Now, have we ever imagined on how much of textile and clothing waste being thrown into landfill in every second? All of the discarded clothes that were thrown slowly will dominate most of the landfill within a short period of time. Therefore, it is a right action to implement the sustainable fundamental to reuse all of those wastes. Once we see the product has come into the end of its life cycle, Libolon is reusing the garment waste, bringing wastes into the next level and reducing our environmental footprint. The garment waste will be recycled through our recycling technology CRZ, a closed-loop recycling zero-waste system. Our CRZ system has been starting to operate recycling either polyester fabric or a garment that contains polyester. The main material will be reproduced into the new yarn raw material and being used in the making of the product that we expect. The cycle will continuously living and achieve the endless regeneration concept. In addition to that, we are now having 3 advanced recycled polyester products. First, recycled PET bottles, second, polyplast, third, recycled fabric that could be from our polyplast or garment through CRZ after it was done conducting the decolorization method. While most of the clothing waste are being resold to other developed countries, Libolon are opening the access to settle the issues with our technology term CRZ. Although the majority of textile suppliers handling the wastes in chemical recycling method, Libolon has developed the alternative with mechanical recycling method, where it processes through decolorization and demonstrates lower environment impact and assured qualities. Following the comparison of the yarn luster itself, the recycled chips of polyplast through our CRZ recycling has achieved almost the same likeness range as the virgin PES and repat product. With our experience in managing raw material, Libolon always assure that each product quality is under control. Same as the specification type through our CRZ, Libolon has developed few ranges for like denier 20, 75, and 150D while comparing to our repat material. Each denier and physical properties, including tensile strength and elongation tested in our in-house laboratory, has shown good results and are within the expected range. This what will make our CRZ after products are durable, long-lasting, under our raw material management control. Here, Libolon has explored decolorization technique on fabric within the entire clothing from top to the bottom wear, as well as fabric with printed artwork, heat transfer print, 2-layer fabric, even more that we will continue to seek all the possible chances onwards. As of the advantages and limitations, Libolon CRZ is sustainable and excellent physical properties along with competitive price. However, the most possible garment to be recycled at once now is applicable only for polyester composition and expected to have no coating or lamination post-finish application. Lastly, our manufacturers, including CRZ, are audited and capable to deliver sustainable certifications. Let's bring these actions on together toward a better sustainable economy and future. Shall you have any questions? Feel free to contact us and I'll see you next time.